Hello, today we are going to cover Early Childhood Academies, cleaning and disinfecting procedures. The classroom aide in each classroom is responsible for cleaning and disinfecting the bathroom that is located inside the classroom after each child uses it. They also clean and disinfect the student's desk before and after lunch, disinfect the playground equipment that students will place their hands on, and generally clean up the classroom surfaces during the day. ECA has 2 daytime custodians who clean and disinfect the hallways, doorknobs, and areas outside of the classrooms throughout the day. ECA has a contracted janitorial service, Motier Janitorial, which comes in every evening to clean the entire building, including classrooms, bathrooms, office spaces, and hallways. If a positive COVID case is identified in the building, we clear the area, and our daytime custodians use a disinfecting mister to clean the entire area. Also, students are seated at individual desks that are spaced apart. Each desk has an acrylic desk shield that serves as a barrier for each child. Masks worn by students and staff are only removed for eating. Thank you for entrusting Early Childhood Academy Public Charter School with your little ones.